Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, and welcome to my new review, you can say, of the Depo V2 headlights for the BMW 1 Series. These lights replace the standard halogen non-angelized headlights. So let's get straight to the point. These lights are made by Depo, as I said. They cost around $400, and those are also halogen bulbs. The difference between those and the original that I had on my BMW is that they are not reflectors, or this one is not a reflector, but instead it's a projector headlight. What it means, it's much more modern and much better. It distributes light much better than the reflectors. These are not OEM, and that brings me to the first issue. But the thing that you need to remember when you're buying them is that they are not as good made as the original headlights. What I mean by that is the seal. That's the biggest problem that most people have with the Depo V2 headlights, is the seal. Actually, I will come back to that in a minute, because I also have some problems with the sealing around the glass housing. But the thing is, as you see, this the black, or it's more gray version, because I think you can also get them in a Titan color that it resembles the original lights much better, or headlights. So yeah, like I said, those are halogen bulbs. Most people, what they do when they buy them is they are installing the HID kit, and I have actually ordered one. It should come this or next week, I'm not too sure, and I will be making a guide / review of that kit and how much better it works in the Depo headlight. So let's get to the issues, or the small problems I have with those headlights. First thing, I want to use the AR rings, angel eyes, as my daytime running lights. It's actually not possible. I'm not too sure why, or it is possible. I cannot do it with the Carly adapter. You cannot use them as the daytime running lights. It's not a big of a problem, because now I'm just driving with park lights on. It looks kind of stupid, but you know, that's I can fix. If I just go to the to someone that can code, they probably can fix that. But you know, it's not a big issue for me. The big issue, like big, the biggest issue I have with them is that my left headlight is actually fogging up after wash. Because the thing is, the seal around this is real bad, or real bad. It's not OEM standard, but that's what you pay for. So those two things are the only problems I have with them. And like I said, I will be replacing my halogen bulbs with a HID kit. So then I will make a full review of how much better the light is and stuff like that. So, for my opinion, I'm really enjoying how they look. I love how much modern the car looks with those lights on. I love the color. It's a pure white. You have a blue tint in them, but it's almost pure white. Looks amazing at night and in the rain. So if you're thinking about buying those, I highly recommend them. They look really good. And like I said, my only issues with them is not having that I cannot use the AR rings as daytime running lights, and also the fogging up. Those are the two main issues. Only issues, to be honest. Angel eyes, so you can see, and also the turn signals, so you can see, how they look like without anything on. As I said, they cost around $400. You can get cheaper alternatives. I know quite many manufacturers make different kind of, replacement headlights for the 1 Series. And this is the E87 5-door, if someone was, wondering. It's 2006 model, so it's before the facelift. If you want good looking angel eyes that work, it's a plug and play installation. It's really not that difficult. I did it myself. Only thing I need help with was taking off and on the bumper, because you need to do that in order to get to the screws that are behind here. I strongly recommend them if you want a modern look for a car. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe and like for more content. As I said, I will be making more videos on the angel eyes when I get my HID kit. Also, I'll be doing some more things to my car. So if you are interested in that, just subscribe and stick around. So yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.